pose. Exhale, stand tall, samastitihi. Padangusthasana, hands to hips, feet jump hip distance apart. Inhale, look up, yekam. Dwe, as you exhale, hinge and fold, take the toes. Think face towards knee for 1, or towards shins. 2, I'll give Zoe a little support here. 3, think elbows 90 degrees. 4, and 5, inhale, head up. Exhale, Padahusthasana. So yekam, inhale, head up. Dwe, exhale, fold. Good. For 1, 2, think Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, Jalandhara Bandha. 3, 4, good. 1 more breath in. And 5, get it out. Slide the hands out, inhale halfway up, exhale hands to the hips, inhale all the way up, exhale. Now I'm going to do a sun salutation, P. So as you come to the top of the mat, think Samastitihi. And then as you inhale, breathe the arms overhead. As you exhale, hinge and fold forward. On the inhale, lift that left leg high to the sky and step way to the back of the mat. And go ahead and frame your back foot for Warrior 1. As you inhale, breathe yourself up for 5 breaths in Warrior 1. Good. Now, as you kind of find yourself here, think Dristi, Hasta, spread fingers, and make sure you have a lot of space in the back of the neck. So you may find that the hands may need to come out in front of you a little, because you always want to be elongating that neck. And you'll see she's at 45 degrees on this back foot, really pressing into that back foot. That's your best friend. So let's have a little fun. So come and take a full inhale. Dwe, as you exhale, interlock your fingers behind your back. Inhale again, look up. Exhale, bring the right shoulder to the right thigh for humble warrior. For 1, think of the crown of the head touching the mat. It may never, but 2, strong back leg. 3, good, breathe in the key. 4, you hear their breath. 1 more breath. 5, inhale all the way up. As you exhale, rotate that back foot, bring the arms to a T, Warrior 2. Good. So we just went through a lot of posture there, and all I'm doing here is just kind of elongating Nikki's arms, making sure they feel good. You'll notice a lot of times just a little bit of support in these postures really goes a long way. And just always keep that neck nice and tall and happy and open. Now find your breath here and really make sure you have your breathing kind of the way you want it. And as you inhale, straighten the front leg. As you